Okay, here we have a typical 240 tailgate handle. Here's the piece that breaks right there. That ring breaks out and messes up the operation of your latch. This is what you do to use my kit. You take this piece out of there, and then we're going to break these tabs off. I'm doing this with one hand, so I'll show you before and after. Just going to get some pliers and break these tabs off. Okay, here we have the tabs on the rag there broken off, and this is what we're left with. Okay, so what I've done here is I've pulled out this pin with a pair of pliers and just leaves the bare piece. Okay, my little piece fits, it mates with the old latch. You can see it just slides on the notch right there. Okay, here's how it has to fit after the springs fit in with that pin there. See the angle of the different parts of the spring. Goes underneath there. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to install the button into the handle. I want to point something out here. Okay. Down inside, there's a little recess here. This portion of the spring has to go in the recess. So as we fit it in, you got to be careful. Line it up. I'm going to shut it off and get it started. Okay, well, I got it in there, and you can see there's spring tension against the button because the spring is fitted down in that recess. So at this point, you'll just put the rubber piece back on with little screws, and that'll hold it in place, and you put your handle back in the door.